How to appeal if you were banned on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can appeal your ban on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now let's say that you got banned on TikTok for some reason, and maybe because TikTok detected a malicious activity from your account, such as you were following too many people. It just detected that it was a bot-like behavior, and that could be one of the reasons why you were particularly banned on TikTok. Now in most of the cases, in order to appeal this decision, whenever you get a notification on your inbox, let's say that you have the TikTok application opened up, you usually get the notifications on your inbox saying that you can appeal. So you can tap on the notifications to follow the instructions and then go ahead and then appeal in that way. The other way is within the help center of the TikTok application. So in order to do that, just come to your profile page. As you come to your profile page, tap on the three lines which you see on the top right hand side of the screen, and as you tap on the three lines, from the bottom of the screen select settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, here you'll find all these various options. Just go to the one that says report a problem, and as you tap on report a problem, you'll also be able to see multiple topics as to how you can go ahead and report your problem. For example, you can select account recovery or security alerts and so on. If you go to either one of these, it is because when you forgot your password or similar issues as such. So you can go ahead and then use it by logging in any of your accounts, or else what you could do is on the very top right hand side of the screen, you'll find this little I button which is the editing icon. So just tap on it as well. As you tap on it, again we'll be taken to this page where you'll be able to see all of your feedback tickets. But since we have not created any, we're going to create one by tapping on the edit button again. Now what this does is that you have to simply appeal to TikTok saying that you really don't know who used the account or conducted all those malicious activities. So you must try to tell TikTok that it wasn't you who carried out all these activities, and most likely TikTok is going to get back to you with a positive solution if you are lucky. Hopefully one of these solutions might have answered your question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.